2111 North 89th Street,
86th
Street. We are sitting at a compromised section of pipe that you see in front of us. It's located 3 feet deep, right outside, kind of under the edge of the deck. We're going to pull back from there. There's this clay pipe here. Standing water in there. Build up on the pipe there. Root build up with some toilet paper stuck in it. And this looks like concrete. Or maybe cast. Dirty clay. We're going to turn. This is cast iron in here. Now that's ABS, that's PVC, and popping up out of the toilet flange here. There's a toilet flange. I'm going to end the recording there.